on this Thursday morning. Oh, look at that. The New York Rangers ringing the bell here.
You're a Ranger fan, right? Yeah.
I don't know. Sure.
They play hockey. Hockey.
That much I know. And so it looks like we've got a lower open here in New York City, despite the enthusiasm there. Oh, let's go Rangers.
Is that Mark Messier on there? I can't tell. What's the ball guy?
Chant going. All right. Let's talk about the markets, folks. The Rangers, great. I know how much all of our producers love sports, but let's take a look at what's going on with the markets, because we've got a pause in the rally that we've been seeing as of late, and now we've got all three major averages opening in the red. The Dow actually leading the way downward here today. And I know Brad is taking a look at some of the groups that are on the move.
Yeah, we are pretty much red across the board, except for one bright spot, which I want to zero in on a hot second there, and that is XLY, consumer discretionary. But we've got 10 out of 11 S&P 500 sectors right now in negative territory to start off the day. I mentioned that zero in on consumer discretionary as of right now, holding on to slight gains by the hair of its chinny chin chin of about 0.1%. And here's why I want to go further into that. You've had a lot of news come out in the retail landscape here today, and diving into the retail heat map as we kick off today's trading session. I'm just going to make this equal, give us a good look at a lot of the names as they're trending here on the day. And you still do have a lot of positive momentum. Keep a close eye on Target, TGT. That is a company that's kicking off some of its deal days today, October 6th through 8th. And that really comes as we're seeing some of the holiday sales get pulled earlier in the year. We've seen that from Target. We've seen that from Walmart as well. Not to be confused with Target's deal days, Walmart's Deals for Days. That's going to go live next Monday, October 10th, and that's going to run through the 13th. And then after that, or within it rather, you've got Amazon's Prime Early Access Sale, October 11th through 12th. So I'm keeping a close eye on Target here on the day. That's holding on to some gains at the open. You've also had some deal making as well take place. Walmart buying Alert Innovation. And so we'll continue to see exactly where Walmart moves from here. You're seeing those shares hold on to slight gains, fractional gains by about 0.4%. And since I mentioned Walmart and Target, also got to mention Amazon as well here, as I'll just make this a market weight so we can call them out real quick. They're down by about 0.2% right now. And we mentioned some of the hiring that's been taking place. Of course, we knew Target was going to hire up to 100,000 holiday workers. We know that Walmart was going to hire 40,000. Now Amazon announcing today that they're going to hire 150,000 workers for the holiday season, along with a pay of about $19 an hour. So we're going to keep a close eye on all of these retail stocks as we move on throughout the rest of the day. But that's a broad look at where we're trending right now in retail. I'll toss things back on over to the desk.
Look, and Amazon went from slightly down to slightly up here
before
our very eyes.